inu qinikkani inuunini kipisaqtarmugu.
Do they celebrate White People Day? No, they celebrate Black Day, Day, everything about blacks.
Why do you have to touch your gun as you talk to me?
Because you're making me mad.
She had an AR-15 pointed at you.
Give me 35 minutes and I'll meet you back there.
Yeah, I'm in 35.
I could die today.
The idea of communism, a sharing and equal society, has existed since human civilization began. But the practice of communism really began in Western Europe in response to the Industrial Revolution.
There are many views about how Britain won the Second World War, how Britain nearly lost the Second World War, how Britain stopped the war from being lost, how Britain was alone, how without the empire, Britain could not have survived. From the perspective of Japan, China, the United States and the Middle East, the Second World War is not as Europeans have seen it. The Eurocentric view of the Second World War may be seen as a mistake. A less Eurocentric perspective sees that the irrevocable change was from 1941 onwards, when, with the entry of Russia, the United States and Japan, the Second World War became a global war. It is this change, from the essentially imperial perspective of the British, that many Europeans have failed to recognize.